What is good? What is good? Kingsley Joshua, Trade Lord himself, come to you live. And this is video number 28 of the series on how I trade in 2024, right? Now, how I trade is basically I trade with my Blue Jay strategy, which is, right here. I trade with my Robin Trap strategy, right? That's within the original Fibonacci master strategy, but now I don't really trade that strategy anymore, which is this right here. Like this would currently be a play, and this would be a play, and I would have my actual stop loss here and my actual TP here. Now I wait, right? With the Robin Trap strategy, I wait for the negative 27 to be hit, and that's my entry. And my like, if this goes lower than this, then the play is done before it even hits here. Then I will delete this setup, right? And depending on the following setups before in the past, I would go against the strategy, right? So I would go against. So I have my stop loss up here, my entry here, and my TP here. I'm getting, it's a backwards risk reward, or I'm going for a proper risk reward, one or two, like basically have my entry here, stop loss here, and TP here. But and it depends on what the order and the plays and everything in the past. So what I have here, it says pattern of two, right? And I say right way, wrong way, wrong way, right way, wrong way, wrong way, right? So what I mean by that is past setups like this, a right way, right? When the market just did, a big win, and then the two mini losses right here, which is the wrong way, how the wrong way approach that I would do it, and this would be successful, and the wrong way approach I would do it, and this would be successful, right? So I would risk like two, like on the account that I'm trading right now, the $6,000 account, right? It would be I risk my max risk per trade is $200, so I risk $200 to make $100, and nail this one, and then I risk 100 to make $50 on this one, and then I nail that one, right? And then I chill out until I get either four of these, like two more of these in the upcoming market event, or another big win, and then I go for the same pattern again, right? Two wrong ways in a row. And if I get that, which I did get it, so I get this one right way, wrong way, right? And then we got a couple before that, wrong way. You gotta find the last right way, which is right here. This is the last right way, right? And then what we had after that, wrong way. So when I have that kind of event, okay, now the next right way I'm gonna get, right? So say if this thing does exactly what I wanted to do and do is this. Well, I don't care really what it does right now. But say if it does this, right? It enters here. I'm not taking this out. This is a chill out, so I'm not taking this approach. But price doesn't come nowhere near the 0 point, and it goes up to here and hits there, right? So that's a right way approach, right? So if I get that, I'm then looking for, since I got two of the patterns already, I'm not looking for this now, because the market works in probabilities. So I have two of these in the right, or it did the two patterns in a row like that. It's the fuck up the next time. So it's either I'm gonna get another right way, right? I'm gonna get another right way, and I would trade with it, right? I would trade with it. So say I have this thing like this. Right? So you have this situation right here. And price does boom and just goes up without coming down to the 0 point. So I'm expecting another one of these to be right beside it. And say if I lose that one, and I'll go, of course, I will risk, uh, on this one, I'll risk like $25 to make $50. And if that one loses, the very next one that I get, right, odds are, is probability wise, it could win, right? And I'll risk 50 to make 100 and make that $25 back and plus, profit, right? So that's what I'm expecting on the next play on CHFJPY before it even happens. But I need that thing to hit up to there. But if it doesn't and it comes down to here, we just keep on following it. Keep on following it. That's it. NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Let's go. I'm risking. Well, I'm looking to do the right way approach, risking $25 to make $50. So $25 risk. That's a pawn trade, right? Don't really care for that trade, but I just take it. Um, see if we can make that $50. If not, I'm not too butthurt about it. I'm not. I'm not. I'm really not too butthurt about losing $200 on this account. So per trade. So that is the mindset that you want to be in, right? Um. So 4 hour, we gotta go to the 4 hour. We're waiting for a 4 hour break of structure. So right now, reason why we're waiting for a 4 hour break structure, we always want to go back to the higher time frames. We are up structure on the monthly, up structure on the weekly. It's the purple lines, right? Daily up structure. That's the yellow line right here. As you can see, it made this high. Last two confirmation. And we haven't surpassed this high at all. So we're still in this up structure movement. Until we even approach here, we're still in up structure. So it could be still going up. So we have up structure on monthly, up structure on weekly, up structure on the daily. Now the 4 hour is still the only thing that's stopping us from going. Now we got the four of the horsemen, right? They're all three of them says we're going up. We gotta wait for the 4 hour structure to go an up structure because that's our scope, right? To aim up. And then we go in the 1 hour. So as soon as we break this 4 hour structure, that's when we go to the 1 hour and we make our approach from there. And we follow up with that structure with the Fibonacci. The only reason I got my Fibonacci out on this 4 hour structure because I'm gonna play this on my my funded the funded challenge, 225K challenge, and I see I'm doing a 4 hour break a structure strategy, right? So, and that strategy is really simple, just like how the market just broke structure. It did another structure here, point A, point B, and then market came down. It did a continuation, a high pullback tick continuation. So I took this approach too, and that one failed. So now waiting for the next approach. So I'm waiting for a pullback to the 50% at least, and I'm taking the 50% as entry. Stop the TP would be the break structure point, and the stop loss would be wherever the new low is, a little below it. So, and that would be the play on that on NZD CAD. But and I just as that happens, that would get my 4 hour break of structure, and then boom, I can risk the $25 right on the other account. So that's what I'm doing. Um, Euro USD, just how Euro USD just made a bunch of continuation, right? Then break structure once up here at all. It could maintain structure and maintain this high, this structure right here, and maintain this structure right here. And you had that pull back to the 23, boom. It remain all this structure. So it's about time the Euro USD breaks structure soon. And this is what we're getting right now. So if we get a break of structure, that will now I will risk my $100 to make $50. Reason why on Euro USD you had right the two right ways approach, right way, wrong way, right, which that you would have made it easy, nice $100 on this play, risking $200. And then now finally we get the next setup finally, and we'd all go for that approach and see what happens. All right, all we're doing is playing the game, playing that exact same game, following the rules, playing the exact same game, being tunnel vision. And I'm telling you, you'll see you will see it all come together. So right now, yeah, this thing is just all right. So did we already moved it already, right? Yeah, that was Euro USD. Okay, USD CAD. We are still in this structure. This is the current situation. Now there is two. The USD CAD really messed me up, man. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. Let's just show the evidence. So we had USD CAD right here and USD CAD right here. These two losses. That's the last trade on Friday. After gaining everything back, right? Then we had to. Oh, there's a bird at my window. We had to. Yeah, we took a smacking. So it was really this one right here, this area right here, that approach. Just see what I mean. Yeah, this right here. This one really jacked me up. Not to lie. It really jacked me up. Because that was like it didn't end. This would have been an easy win if it went a little higher. Boom. Again, came down. I would have been tagged in properly and would have made money here, $100 there, right? But that didn't happen, right? I had it set for 15 and went to like on this candle it said 15, but on my broker it wasn't 15. So that was one thing. And then another exit that I should have exit was right here. This candle where it did the same thing. I was like, nah, that I should cut that trade. So I should not enter this at all. And then we finally got the approach and then went up. So I counted it, right, as a big win. So check this. It's a big win, another big win. And then with this one, it was another big one. This well, yeah, with this one. Yeah. So yeah, we got booted, bop bop, jacked up a little bit, but it's all good. We can handle our punches, and we just wait for the next approach, and then we take that approach. We take that approach, and then we move on. We keep on moving on. So we gotta be patient. You gotta wait for um other things to set up and confirm, because this can help too. It's 4 hour, but I have a feeling it's make still lower it a little bit because this is ridiculous. It's getting out of hand. You gotta have to pull back soon on AUD USD. But yeah, we're just waiting for a 1 hour continuation, and then once we get that 1 hour continuation, then we're good to go to find that first pullback in play, see what we all get. Um, And if it breaks structure, we just got to wait for it to break structure back up. As long as the 4 hour structure remains bullish, We're looking for a 1 hour approach up. Boom. Right. So next AUD USD, waiting for that 4 hour break of structure, and then up we go. We have this wrong way. So if I can go back here, see what the past what we had, right? Yeah, this right way. So this wrong way, wrong way, wrong way, wrong. So we had this, and then the right after this was this one. So okay, it's this one. Boom, boom. So yeah, it was interference, a lot of interference. So this one is boom, boom. So yeah, we're waiting for a solid another pattern. Waiting for that two pattern. So we're definitely going for the same approach, risking the $200 to make $100. We're expecting to make that one, and then the next approach, $100 to make 50. So we make our 150 on this on AUD USD. That's what we're expecting out of AUD USD. We just gotta follow it, find our approach, and play the play. And that's how you make money, man. um, and if you're wrong, you're wrong. You know, you just gotta keep it moving. You gotta keep it moving. Just like we're wrong here. Hey, we're still. This is my week right here. So it's literally these two losses beginning. Then we had a nice win streak, then a loss, and then a loss. Right. So we really end up the week in the loss. So it's all good. You just gotta keep on moving forward. Keep on moving forward. Keep on moving forward, and until you get back into profit, and then you get to that 400, and then you withdraw. That's what I've been doing. So, all right, AUD, GBP USD is next, and this is a actual trade that we are in. It was this one right here. So let's show our trade. No, it's not where it's trade positions. Boom. This is the position that we're in. We're up $18. GBP USD. We're selling this one. So this was our entry. It came all the way down to here, close to the TP, but it came crawling back to entry. Now it's coming back into profit. But we're gonna see what we're gonna get. We're gonna get an approach and start be a wrong way again. But reason why we're going with that $25 risk to make 50, right? Is because we had the 4 wrong ways in a row, right? There's a system to my madness on these charts, man. So wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Remember, these are irrelevance, relevance, relevance. And we're just waiting. And as we wait, we play other plays on the other charts. That's why I trade so many charts. Because this is a lot of time. This is the 1 hour chart. Remember that. And then this is our fourth. After the big win, we had 4 of these in a row. So now we're expecting another big win because it's been a while. It's been a while. And if you don't get on this one, we look for the next one. And if you don't get on that one, we look for it on the next one. $25 risk on the first play. This is the first play. So if I lose this one, okay, I'm gonna risk $50 on the next play to make 100, making that $25 back, profit. But if I lose that 50, I'm doing $100 risk, make that 25 and the 50 back with profit. If I lose that, I'm risking the $200 risk, right? To make everything back, then to make 400. So if I make $400, I get everything back plus a nice ton profit. So that's the approach. That's the approach. You just gotta be patient. Just gotta be patient. All right. So all right. Excuse me. But yeah. All right. So the video is about to end. Yeah. All right. I mean, I'll use this self-explanatory.